We are at week 3 here of our oyster project. It's actually week 4. We went out of town for a week, and we had a neighbor pull them out for us, so we didn't get to make a video that week. So this would be week 3 of our video series, at least, of our oyster project, raising oysters for the Indian River Lagoon. So we got to go pull them out and let them sit for 8 hours, hose them off. I think what I'm going to do this time is pull them out and let them sit first and then hose them off, because a lot of the stuff, the buildup, will come off easier if it's been sitting out. So I'm going to go pull all these. Oh, look how clear the water is today. Super clear. Nice. That's a good sign for the river. Wow, it's real clear. Look at that. All right. Let's go pull these cages out and see what we got here. We got, like I said, I think we have 6 of them. Whoa, look at that eagle ray. Oh my goodness. Holy cow, what a sight. Wow. That was beautiful. I hope you guys could see that on camera. I wonder if there's another one. Oh, nope, there's not. All right. All right, let's see what we got here. What do we have? See if I can do this with one hand. Oh man, they're getting big and heavy. All right. There's cage number 1. Here's number 2 right here. Give him a little shake. All right. Sorry about the camera, guys. Like I said, I don't have my helpers here today. Maybe I didn't mention this, but everybody else has dentist appointments this morning except for me. Oh, look at this crab on top of this one. Look at this. See if I can pull him up. There's a big crab. Look at him. Oh, it looks like they're mating. Yeah, it's a pair of mating crabs. You can see right on top there. All right, crabs, you gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta go, or I'm pulling you all the way up here with me. Look at that. Look at them. Yeah, come on. Time to go. Time to go. You gotta get off. They don't want to leave, do they? There they go. All right, we got it. Oh, they're getting heavy. Holy cow. All right, there's number 3. Oh, they're dirty too. Gonna need a good rinsing today. Let's see if we have any other little predators under any of these. Sometimes the predators pop out the bottom. Nope. All right. Let's see what we got here. Cage number 4. Now, this is the one that for some reason gets way dirtier than all the other ones. I don't know why that is the case, but it is. This one's not quite as heavy. I think those other 2 that I just pulled out have twice as many oysters in them. 2 of these cages, 2 or 3 of them, we need to lighten the oyster load in. They gave us, oh, here's another pair of mating crabs. Look at that. Interesting. They like the cages for mating, I guess. All right, crabs, you gotta go too. I hate to break up the party here. Come on, you gotta go. There they go. All right. Ugh, let's get this up here. All right. What's that, number 5? All right, we got 1 more to go. Anything interesting on this one? Doesn't look like it. They're just dirty, aren't they? All right. Whoa, this is a heavy one. I think this is one that has twice the amount of oysters in it. Whoa, it's heavy. All right, there they are. Nice. All right. So we got all 6 cages up now. And like I said, I think I'm going to, usually what we do, if you guys watch our past couple videos, we usually hose them off right now and then let them sit. But I think I'm going to let them sit first today because a lot of this stuff will dry off and then dry out and then come off a lot easier. So we will get back with everybody in 8 hours when we go to hose them off. All right, so we're back out here. It's been almost 8 hours.
Yep.
So we're gonna go ahead and hose these off.
Clean them.
Yeah, and clean them. I got my gloves. It's important. I guess we didn't wear shoes. We should be wearing shoes because these cages will cut you up. But
And the oysters.
and the oysters, yeah. But I got my gloves. I brought my tool down here, but we don't have a lot of barnacles on them this time. I think we're gonna be doing more just rinsing them than anything. But she's gonna get started scraping there. Let me squeeze past you.
Inside.
Yeah, I saw that. I'm gonna go ahead and get the hose on, and then we'll hose off all of these, and then probably just put them back in the water. They're ready to go back in. We're worried about this one right here.
Yeah.
I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it doesn't look like there's any living oysters in there. If you look at this one, there's millions of little baby oysters down there.
I think maybe like they spawn so many of the oysters, maybe just some of them didn't stick
Bad
to
batch.
the shells, you know, and so it's all right.
We'll go ahead and give those a light scraping. Start doing that. I'm gonna get the hose going here. If anyone's wondering, this is water. This is well water. It's not like we have a pump pumping river water up to this. There's just a water line running under the dock all the way back to the property there. But we're gonna go ahead and hose all these down, and we'll get back with everybody when we're ready to put them in the water. Well, I guess right now we'll stop and we'll show you what they look like up close. Careful, don't cut yourself. I have gloves on.
I'm fine.
So you guys can see here. So this is an oyster shell that I'm holding that's just covered with all these baby oysters.
Oh, here's a sea squirt.
Yep. Pull that off.
Yeah.
Pinch it off. There you go. So we'll get rid of that. They said they're not harmful though.
No, they're not harmful and they're natural and
Yeah.
they're not bad to have. They just take up space for the oysters should be. Here's another one.
All right, so we're just gonna keep hosing these down, and then we'll get back to it. All right, we got the cages all cleaned. You know, Lisa's putting the hose away for us. You guys can see we scrubbed them pretty good. They don't have to be perfect, but you do need to take them out every week. Some of these cages, those two we just showed you right there, just get way dirtier than the rest of these. But they are ready to go back in the water now, so I'm going to go ahead and plop them in the water. Some of these cages, like I said earlier, have more oysters in them than they should, and we need to even them out, but I think we're going to do that next week. Here, can you take the camera while I put these in real quick? I already took my gloves off. I probably should have left them on, but I didn't. Here you go. I want to make sure they're balanced. I want them to be floating balanced down there, not on one end.
That way the crabs can mate on them successfully.
Right. Yeah. You can see we got a mess all over the dock, but it goes away pretty quick.
Yeah. I didn't see a whole lot of gnats on them.
No, I didn't either.
This week.
Right, yeah. Fix this rope a little bit so it doesn't come off. Oh, there we go. Fine. A lot of oysters. What'd they say, over 2,500?
I think that's what they said, but you know, with that one cage we have, we might have a little less.
Yeah.
I don't know, some of them have like so much, maybe. We still have that many. They came out and
That's not
counted.
sitting on the ground, is it? No, it's not. I want them hovering in the water, not sitting on the roof.
It is so clear today.
Yeah, there we go. It is clear today. Even with the wind picked up this afternoon, the water's still pretty clear. Oh, that's a heavy one right there. All right, great. We got it done. Oh, here's a dead toadfish. Guess he didn't make it out earlier.
Well, he won't be coming back for more. Sorry, guy.
All right, we're good. We're done. We did it, all 6 cages. If anybody has any questions or comments about our oysters or about the Restore Our Shores program, just post down below. Until next time, everybody out there, take care.
Bye.